Hi. So now let us try to write down for this query, what is the answer actually. So what he is asking, list all clerks of department number 20 actually. So that means job must be clerk and department must be 20. And observe that both must satisfy actually. So that is what, first of all, select, and you need, he didn't mention which columns required. So let us display all the columns, select star, and from which table actually. So from EMP table, so from EMP. So this is what important thing, right? Where, so job must be clerk. So that is what job is equal to clerk. So that is clerk. And very importantly, department is 20 actually. So that means relation between these two conditions. So let us take first of all department number is 20, and these two conditions, anyone or both must be satisfied, both must satisfy. So that is why and operator you must take. So in the department number 20, whoever clerks are there, those details you are trying to display from the EMP table. So that is what simply you can write down the query for this. Okay. Now let us go for the next one. So here in this you see list the details of the employees in the ascending order of department number and descending order of job actually. So actually in the order by clause, you are going to use two columns, that is department number 1 and job is another one, and both is not in the same order actually. One is in the ascending order, another is in the descending order, and you don't have any constraint. You don't need to filter any row actually. So that is what first thing you must observe. So select. So you are going to display every information. So that is by star, and of course from table is EMP. So the very important thing is here order by class. So that is what let us take order by. So in this order by clause, he mentioned first ascending order of DEPT numbers. So that is what department number you must display in the ascending order. So that is what DEPT number in the ascending order. That is what ASC is the keyword, and the descending order of jobs. So that is what job is the descending order. So let us take job in the DESC. So what is going to happen? Ascending order in the department number. So let us see some output actually, some outputs. Okay. So we will see only DEPT number and job actually. Automatically remaining things are same actually. Or let us take EMP number also. So for example, DEPT number first ascending order. So DEPT number, this is the one number, and this is 1, and this is 1. So 3 tens are there, DEPT numbers. In these 3 tens, you can see here in the descending order actually. Job must be in the descending order. So this is one manager, this is president, and this is clerk. In these 3, if you take in the descending order, so that means president is the highest one. So that is what president. So that means what is its EMP number? 7839. And then manager. So manager EMP number is 7782. Then we have a clerk. So clerk means 7934. Got the point or not? And next you are going to have 20. So 20 is in the next part is 20 actually. So you can take here one row 20. So in the 20 descending order of job actually. So let us take another color for easily differentiate. So 20 is this one, and we have more rows, right? Total 6 rows we have, total 5 rows we have 20. So here we have a clerk, here we have a manager, and here we have analyst, and here we have a clerk, and here we have an analyst. So you can see out of all, in the descending order, which one you will get first? Actually, manager. Okay, so that is what manager. Okay, so manager 7566 actually. And after the manager, you have clerk. This is the one clerk, and here also clerk is there. Is it or not? So that means, so 20 clerk, EMP number is 7369, and another one 20 clerk. So what here we are trying to tell is, so let us take this clerk also 7876, and then you can go for the analyst actually. Here analyst, here analyst. So that is what 2020. So analyst. So that is first analyst is 7788, and here also analyst, that is 7902. So similarly 36 records you are going to have. Observe that what you mentioned first, that you have first in the ascending order, that is what DEPT number first in the ascending order, 10, 20, 30 like that. And then in that 10, all elements, job data you are displaying in the descending order. That is what you can observe. So this is in a ascending order, this is in a descending order, you can observe that. So in this order, first it will ascending order of this DAPT number. In that data, next job part, it is going to put in a descending order. So that way it is going to display the output actually, that you have to observe very clearly. Okay. So this is what the query, first of all, this is the query for this given question actually. Now let us go for the next. So here you can see display all the unique job groups in the descending order actually. Is it? So now you can see how you can answer this one. So this is a simple one only. So how you are going to display actually. So you can see here, you have to display unique jobs. That means distinct jobs. So select, you need distinct jobs. That is what keyword we are going to use is distinct. And what you need actually, on which column you want to apply distinct? Job actually. And this data is available from EMP table. Okay. And he told that descending order actually. That is what order by clause, if you take order by job in a descending order. So that is what keyword is DESC. So if you observe what is the output actually. Okay. So what is the output you are going to have here? So let us just try to observe. So here job you are going to display distinct actually. So clerk is one thing, salesman is one job, manager is another job, analyst is one job, president is one job. These are the distinct jobs. Out of all, descending order we need. So if you observe, salesman is the highest one in the descending order, salesman. And after that, next if you take president actually. So president. And then we are going to have manager. And then we have a clerk, job type. And then we are going to have analyst. So these are the 5 groups you are going to have. First of all, unique groups, and in each job category you have different employees actually. So this is what he is asking, right? So for that, this is the query. Okay.